Are you looking for something to do in the wintertime to make money? Are you a landscaper, a pressure washer, a window washer, a pest control guy, and it slows down in the wintertime and you're wanting to make money in the wintertime? Today, I'm going to give you an option. It's going to be Christmas lights. So, I'm Jason Guyman here to help you grow your business, be successful, and to change your life with PressureWashHelp.com. So, what I have exciting news today is I am going to teach you how to do Christmas lights. August 22nd, August 23rd through the 25th, I am going to put on a 2-day class. It's going to be all about Christmas lights. It's going to be in the great state of Kentucky at the Northern Kentucky Airport. It's actually at the Cincinnati Airport. Did you know that Cincinnati Airport is in actually Northern Kentucky? It's going to be at the Marriott there. It's a very nice hotel. So it's going to be a 2-day class, and I go over everything you need to know about Christmas lights, how to install them, how to market them, how to get customers, how to turn customers into yearly customers year after year after year, how to install the lights, how to install lights on trees, how to install lights on houses, everything you need to know to be a growing, successful business. I have taught several people these last 2 or 3 years that I've been doing this, and most of my customers that I've taught start out at least 25 to 35,000 their very first year. So it is a great money-making thing. I know there's people in this industry of Christmas lights that this is all they do is Christmas lights. They make enough money during Christmas to never do another thing the whole year. So, with that being said, Christmas lights can be a great thing. It's a great rewarding thing. So the reason why we started Christmas lights is obviously I own a pressure washing business, and we wanted to grow and scale that pressure washing business. Well, it's hard to grow and scale a pressure washing business if you can't keep employees year round. Well, here in Cincinnati, you can't do pressure washing in January, December, November. You can maybe do it a little bit depending on the weather, but it slows down where you cannot keep employees working. This is a great business to start to grow your business overall. It makes great money, and it does really well. Our average customer house is $1,400. That's right, $1,400. And once I buy all the materials the next year, all I'm paying for is labor the following years because I already have all my stuff. So, with that being said, I go over where we get our suppliers, where we get all our stuff at, the whole 9 yards. And the other great thing of it is the hotel we're staying in is a beautiful hotel. And I always tell people to go to trainings. I still go to trainings. I train, I don't just say I do this and this is it. I go to training still myself. It might not be on pressure washing and Christmas like that, but I still go to business training, how to do marketing, how to grow business. That's what I go for. I don't, I'm actually going to another one in September because I want to give myself education. And the more education I get, the more I learn, the better off I can help you all and I can help myself. And that's the whole reason why I do it. And that's why I want you to do it. So Christmas lights is a great thing to learn. We did almost 300,000 last year in Christmas lights alone. And we started in October, November, December. And we did 300,000. And actually December, you only usually work till about December 15th if people quit buying Christmas lights at then. And then you take down the month of January. And it is a great business. So, it's a way you can make money through the wintertime and keep your business going through the wintertime so that when spring comes, you're ready to rock right on. You might take February off, you give you guys, or you're building all your stuff in February, and it's a great thing. The rooms at the Holiday or at the Marriott are only $99 a night. I've been to some trainings, and you got to pay $300 a night for rooms. So it's cheap on rooms and the whole 9 yards. It'll be a 2-day class. It's right next to the Cincinnati Airport, so you don't even have to get a car. It's the actual Airports Marriott. So it's right there. You don't, like I say, everything's close. Everything you got is you need. If you want to drive and you want to come up and see some awesome things like the Ark or like the Creation Museum, both of those are near it. We might need the Ark here shortly just because we've had so much rain so you can actually get here, but that's beside the point. So go check out the website. The link will be down in the description. You can either check out ChristmasLightsConvention.com or you can go to ChristmasLightsHelp.com, and both of them will take you to where you need to know about the information you will need to know. In August 22nd through the 25th, actually it's the 23rd to the 25th, August 23rd to the 25th. See you then.